Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Have you ever heard of a drink that not only tastes amazing but can also help you lose weight, clear up your skin, and boost your overall health? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, hibiscus tea. We're diving deep into the incredible health benefits of this miracle drink. From boosting your immune system to giving you glowing skin, hibiscus tea is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about something we all care about: weight management. It's a topic that often comes with a lot of stress and confusion. With so many diets, supplements, and exercise routines out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out what really works. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural addition you can make to your daily routine that might just give you that extra edge? Enter hibiscus tea. Now, I'm not saying hibiscus tea is some magic potion that will melt away pounds overnight. It's not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful ally in your weight management journey. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can be a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle when you're trying to shed a few pounds. It's packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that support your overall health. So how does it work? Well, hibiscus tea contains compounds that can help boost your metabolism, which means your body burns calories more efficiently. A faster metabolism can make it easier to lose weight and keep it off. Additionally, hibiscus tea can help reduce your body's absorption of starches and sugars, further aiding in weight management. This means that the carbohydrates you consume are less likely to be stored as fat. And here's a bonus. Hibiscus tea can act as a natural diuretic, helping to reduce bloating and water weight. This can make you feel lighter and more comfortable, especially if you're prone to water retention. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine, along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can really make a difference in your weight loss journey. It's not about quick fixes, but about making sustainable changes that support your long-term health and well-being. So why not give hibiscus tea a try and see how it can become your new secret weapon in achieving your weight management goals? Want that healthy, radiant glow? Well, listen up. Hibiscus tea isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a beauty elixir in a cup. This vibrant tea is packed with antioxidants, which are like superheroes for your skin. They fight off those pesky free radicals that can cause premature aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. But that's not all. Hibiscus tea is a natural source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm and elastic, so a little hibiscus tea can go a long way in maintaining that youthful appearance. And if you struggle with acne or blemishes, hibiscus tea can be your new best friend. It has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin and reduce breakouts. We all know how important heart health is, and incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine can be a simple yet powerful way to show your heart some love. This vibrant, ruby-red beverage is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits that can support your cardiovascular system. Whether you enjoy it hot or iced, hibiscus tea can be a delightful addition to your daily regimen. One of the most significant benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a common condition that can lead to serious health issues if left unmanaged. By drinking hibiscus tea regularly, you can take a proactive step towards maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that regular consumption of hibiscus tea can have a positive impact on both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. These studies suggest that the natural compounds found in hibiscus flowers can help relax blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing the strain on your heart. Hibiscus tea also contains compounds that can help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. These compounds, known as anthocyanins, are powerful antioxidants that can help protect your heart by reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of plaque in your arteries. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. By incorporating hibiscus tea into a balanced diet, you can support your heart health and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. And here's another heart-healthy perk. Hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free. This means you can enjoy its benefits without the jittery side effects that come with caffeinated beverages. It's a perfect choice for those who are sensitive to caffeine or looking to cut back on their intake. So, you can enjoy a warm, comforting cup any time of day or night without worrying about it interfering with your sleep. Whether you're winding down after a long day or simply looking for a soothing drink to enjoy in the evening, hibiscus tea is an excellent choice. Its calming properties can help you relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Let's face it, nobody likes getting sick. The sniffles, the sneezes, the general feeling of malaise, it's something we all want to avoid. But did you know that there are natural ways to boost your immune system and keep those pesky germs at bay? A strong immune system is your body's best defense against those pesky germs and viruses that are always lurking around. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and good hygiene practices are all essential, but sometimes you need an extra boost. Hibiscus tea is a natural immune booster, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that can help strengthen your body's defenses. This vibrant ruby red tea is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps support the function of various immune cells in your body. It plays a crucial role in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. It helps your body fight off infections more effectively and can even shorten the duration of a cold. Imagine feeling better faster, just by sipping on a warm, soothing cup of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants work tirelessly to keep your body in top shape, ensuring that your immune system remains strong and resilient. Free radicals can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. By incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine, you can help neutralize these harmful molecules and support your overall health. So, next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for a warm cup of hibiscus tea to give your immune system a fighting chance. Not only will you enjoy a delicious beverage, but you'll also be taking a proactive step towards better health. Cheers to a stronger, healthier you. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with toxins and pollutants that can damage our cells and increase our risk of chronic diseases. That's where antioxidants come in. Antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off these harmful compounds, protecting our cells from damage. Hibiscus tea is bursting with antioxidants, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing oxidative stress and damage to your cells. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich foods and drinks like hibiscus tea can help protect your body from chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. So, by incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, you're giving your body an extra layer of protection against the damaging effects of free radicals. So there you have it. Hibiscus tea isn't just a tasty beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. From supporting weight loss and giving you glowing skin to boosting your heart health and immune system, hibiscus tea is a gift from nature that keeps on giving. If you're looking for a natural and delicious way to improve your health and well-being, I highly recommend giving hibiscus tea a try. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time.